Embrace yourself, because I believe we are about to go into the biggest, most aggressive part of the bull cycle of 2021. Yes. And the main indicator, is it price? Is it stock to flow? Is it this? Is it that? Actually, one of our main indicators is Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin's price is going up and is looking strong, all other coins, altcoins, tend to go up exponentially. And when Bitcoin is coming down, altcoins tend to come down exponentially as well. So let's dive straight into Bitcoin to see what the price action is doing. But before we do, who is this guy? My name is Jagir. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. I've been trading the Forex markets, currencies for over 15 years, and I was featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008. And now I bring that knowledge and wisdom to crypto. So if you like today's videos, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I want to help you to have high probability. So let's look at Bitcoin. So these lines that you're seeing today, normally we have candlesticks, which is the red and the green bars, but today is a line chart, which is the closing price of each day. So it's still a daily chart, but what it does for us, it just eradicates the noise. Because we had some wide bars, which is like these kind of movements like this, it can become a bit confusing. So I've just moved to a line chart to say, right, in Elliott Wave terms, markets tend to move because of psychology. When the markets are feeling optimistic, they are moving to the upside. And then pessimism comes in and it moves to the downside. And the price reflects this. So what are we seeing right now? Well, if you saw my April 19th video and May 3rd video, we projected that Bitcoin was going to make a big correction. And we referred to it as a wave 4 in Elliott Wave terms. And it did. We pegged it nicely. It was an A, B, C coming down. So we look like we're coming close to this wave 4 low. We're at or close to a wave 4 low. So what should we anticipate over the next week? And then what would really confirm that the low has been made and we should go on to see higher highs, which will pick up the whole market. So let's have a look. So I'm actually going to just zoom in here a bit more so you can have a look. So up here was April 14th, this wave 3, and we had this A, B, C correction. Now we're coming towards the end of a potential ABC correction, but it's still a bit uncertain. So it's likely, over the next 3 to 5 days, we may see a bit of a lower low with Bitcoin coming towards the range of 34,000 to 32,000. Now that's probably going to provide a lot of uncertainty in the markets, which can cause a bit of panic selling. So the markets might pull down another 20, 30, 40, 50%. But once the market has confirmed the low and you start to see higher highs, it will start to really go to the upside. So what are we looking for really? Well, what we're looking for is, if I can just draw this line, is really a close. In fact, let me just draw it as a broad rectangle because it'd be easier to see. We're looking for a close. Let me just get this here. Above this region. In other words, Bitcoin is likely to do something along the lines, not guaranteed, but you know how the markets move. But in terms of, this looks like an A, B, C. The markets are likely to do something along the lines of a move to the downside. And then what we want to see is a convincing break to the upside, where we will go past this. I can even reduce it here. This zone here. We're going to have a nice break to the upside. And once that move occurs, and if it occurs, that's going to give a lot of confidence to the market. Not straight away though, because what will tend to happen is we'll tend to have another pullback, and it's the next convincing move to the upside. That's going to be what we're looking for. But what I want you to take away from today is prepare yourselves for maybe a bit more of a pullback, maybe 10, 20, 30, 40% of some of your positions. You know, if you can manage your trades depending on how you do it. But then also be patient, sitting on your hands and waiting for Bitcoin to show some strength, to give confidence to the whole market. See Bitcoin as the big brother that gives little brother confidence. When Bitcoin says, hey, things are looking ripe and the institutional investments are coming in, big companies are coming in, positive news is coming in, right, that just picks up the whole market. Then you want to really ride that wave. Now there's a saying, the trend is your friend. You want to ride it until its end, until it reaches its bend. Now, what does that mean? Well, a wave 3 to a wave 4, what tends to come next is a wave 5, and that's what we're anticipating when Bitcoin will likely go to $76,000 per Bitcoin, $100,000 per Bitcoin. And towards the end of the bull market, you tend to have a blow off, which is like a massive panic buying. And we want to prepare ourselves to be taking profits at that stage because the whole of the market will be doing something similar. So if you like today's video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because this is huge to set yourself up for success. If you haven't already, take my free crypto trading masterclass, how to fund your retirement, is in the link below, because I covered this in detail, just more of the Elliott Wave principles, how to read the future and get the probability in your favor to make sure you're making money, minimize your downsides and maximizing your upside. All right, I will see you soon.